Now, I very seldom do this, but this video is I already filmed this video once, but I figured I'd finish it up. So, I'm not gonna post that video, but here's the follow-up. So, originally I only had one cough button, and there was no stickers or no signs, labels, or anything on it. These are just pieces of paper with cough printed on them, and you notice what they are. They're cough buttons. These are microphones, and these are cough buttons. These are for if you have to cough, or if you need to mute the mic momentarily. In this case, in this design, you would hold it down while you're coughing, or like doing something that may cause too much noise, and that would in turn shut off the mic, and I'll just explain how that does it. So, I originally didn't want to cut the cord on this mic because this mic does not have an XLR cable, so I wouldn't be able to just buy an XLR cable like this one. I actually had a spare that came with my condenser, and I just cut it in this section here, and I'll show you what I did underneath in a minute. So I'll just demonstrate it right now. I actually posted this on my Instagram, so I'll turn on these mics. These are dynamic mics. I would not suggest doing this with the condenser because which is why I don't have one in my desk. And this is also just an old table that I had. It's actually an antique. I shouldn't feel bad drilling holes in it, but it'll work. So we'll demonstrate this mic first. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. But the reason I would not suggest doing this with the condenser is because there's phantom power supplies, and this shorts out the hot. I'll demonstrate in a minute. I'll show you what it does. So, and then there's this one, testing 1 2 3, testing. Ooh, that doesn't sound too good. Testing, testing. Testing 1 2 3. Uh-oh. What's going on here? I think hope I didn't. Testing 1 2 3. Testing. Oh, that's strange as hell. Testing. Hold on, we'll be right back. I gotta replace the potentiometers on that board. That potentiometer right there is a little fucked. It only works in a certain position. So we'll just try that again. Testing 1 2 3. Fuck, I can't. Testing, 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 testing. You know, this one's more easy to demonstrate. This one looks cleaner, obviously, but let's get underneath. I've spent 3 minutes trying to figure this out. Let's get underneath now. So, if you look below, there's a XLR cable, which is in turn attached to the, oh wait, no, that's not the XLR cable, which is in turn daisy chained with a female XLR cable, just like so. This is with the handheld, the one that's not attached to a stand. I'll just disconnect this here to show you guys that it is totally different cable, because I didn't want to wreck my cable for converting it to unbalanced single, or to converting it to a balanced 3.5 millimeter signal. So that's just, this one goes to the mixer, and this one goes to the mic, and this one on this end goes to the switch, which goes to the mic. So this isn't a normally closed switch. Like when it's up, it's open. It's actually a normally open switch. When you push it, it turns on. Now, how did I manage that? well, doing something that you don't normally want to do in the field of electronics, but since a microphone has such a low output, it's not a big deal. So right here, we've got the two wires, and they're actually tied together on each screw. Now this is the hot, and this is the cold, or hot, positive, and negative. And when you push this button, it shorts them out. So basically, it shorts out the mic. And same with this one, it's a unbalanced, because I actually had to cut the cable on the mic itself, as I mentioned, but it's actually just two wired. The shield is the negative, and the white wire is the positive. So, oh fuck, it's getting dark. So, right here, come on, focus. And, hold on, I gotta turn on the flash for you guys. So right there is, my neck's starting to hurt, oh my god. So, right there is it shorts out the microphone there too. This is why I wouldn't do it on a condenser, because you have a phantom that will lock to the light. I don't know whether that's a cheap Amazon one. You have a phantom power supply, which may short out if you were to short out the positive and the negative on the switch, or with the switch. So you might short out your 48 volts positive and negative. I'm not sure. If you want, you can try it, but I'm not taking any responsibility for what you do to your shit. So, that's it. And, we'll just test it one more time, and that is, sort of hard to see. But, you'll see next time on the SOAK radio show at www.nathansmusic.com/SOAK. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and this is Hook the Gamer signing off. Peace.